Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Muhammad Alif Daniel Fitri bin Jamaluddin. So, I'm from E02 class, and today I'm present here to teach you how to do a transition for your presentation slide. So, your presentation slide will be more impressive and more beautiful. So, first of all, I need you to go to the Google Chrome or Canva app and then open it, and you go to the create and open the presentation. And then I need you to go to the element and choose rectangular shape. So you just need to duplicate it 4 times. Okay, just duplicate it 4 times, and then I need you to align the rectangular into and form one line. After that, I need you to right click your mouse and drag it into the 4 rectangular. So you can see there are options group. So I need you to click the group, and it is because it will make your work to be easier, because when you edit you can make some mistakes. So when we group it, it will reduce our mistake. And then I need you to put it into the corner and then stretch it until it cover your slide. And like I say, 4 rectangular, so I need you to choose your preferred color. So for my recommendation, I think you can choose for the first aqua blue, and then for the second turquoise blue, for the third light blue, and for the fourth sapphire. So after you finish choose your preferred color, you can put your content or idea that you need to present. So like I'm just copy back my previous project. You just need to put until it cover the slide. So after you finish put all the content that you need for your presentation slide, you need to go to the element back and choose and search for the background. You can put any kind of background that are suitable for your slide. So for me, I just pick some random background. So you can choose any kind of background that you want, or I will recommend you to choose photo. After you has choose the photo that you want to cover your slide, and then you can go to the layer and then bring forward. And if the content of your presentation slide are pulled up before the background, so you just go to the layer and send backward. Remember, you can go to the layer and then put backward for all your content, so it will not pop up against your cover. So when you are already done, and then you can stretch the background or the cover that you want, and then I need you to duplicate the page. You can go to the but this button at down, and then you can choose to duplicate uh, duplicate page for 4 times. After you duplicate, you can so you can so you go to the second slide, and then you stretch the cover to one rectangular, just for enough for one rectangular, and then you go to the third slide, and then you do the same thing, but you need to increase the rectangular shape, so it will be 2, and for the fourth slide it will be 3, and I also need you to add one more pages, so and then you can stretch it until it doesn't see back again. So with this, it almost complete your presentation slide. So then I need you go to the uh, preferred slide at the down, and I need you to choose transition. So when you choose transition, I need you select match and move, so you can apply between all page. So and then it's done, it's already done, so you can decide whether you want to decorate your cover, and this is the result that we got from our hard work today. And that's all from me. Thank you.